My Game On segment with the latest esports and gaming news. To become a professional esports player, gamers require the necessary tools to train for and compete in various tournaments. The main tool for a professional gamer or streamer is a custom-made PC that will allow them to play games at the best high-definition quality with no lag whatsoever. Wan Eizzul Islam finds out exactly how to build a professional gaming computer.
Welcome to the esports segment with me, Wan Eizzul Islam. So for today's segment, we have something very special. We're going to learn how to build a custom gaming rig or custom gaming PC here at Racun Tech. So with me, I have Muhammad Noor Hafiz. He's a technical manager here at Racun Tech, and he'll be helping me explain some of the key components of this custom-built PC. So first up, we have the processor. So Hafiz, tell us what exactly is the processor and show us where exactly is it placed in this gaming rig.
Okay, so what the processor did is to process data, which is to process your software, your programs, and to run your programs basically. And then where does it place is here, behind this cooler.
Alright, so now that we know where the processor goes, the next key component of a gaming rig is, of course, the motherboard. The motherboard is where the processor goes. So, Hafiz, what exactly is the motherboard in this gaming rig?
Okay, so the motherboard is like your the body parts of your PC. So it joins every components, major components inside your PC. So which means you can put your graphic card, your RAMs, and your processor. So without it, you cannot build your PC.
So where exactly is the motherboard here?
So the one that you see is like a board. That one is the motherboard lah.
All right. So now that you've explained the motherboard, which is basically the main frame, the main body of the gaming rig.
Yes.
Now you did mention about a graphics card. So what we're using here in this gaming rig is a Gigabyte AMD Radeon 5700 XT. So tell us, what exactly is a graphics card and how is it important to playing games?
Okay, so what did actually graphic cards do is to run your graphic. So this is the main parts for you to run most of your games, because without graphic cards, maybe you cannot run your games smoothly. The graphic card is here. As you can see, the vertical one is the graphic card. So the main difference for a different model is there is high-end model and lower model. So with lower model, you cannot go with high setting graphic. And for higher model, most of the time you can play with high settings, and also you can go for 4K resolution. That can run smoothly. So this is where the difference is between the lower end and the higher model.
Okay, so now that we know more about the graphics card, I've noticed something very colorful, very interesting here. These pillars. What exactly are these pillars, Hafiz? I mean, what is a RAM stick?
Okay, so the pillars that you mentioned is actually is a RAM. So nowadays, mostly RAMs is it comes with RGB RAM, RGB. So which means that it comes with these flashy colors. And then what the RAM do is it's like your bloodline actually for the computer parts, which means it needs to be there for your PC to be run. Without it, you cannot run any of your program.
Now that we found out more about how to build or how to customize a gaming PC to make it the best in the level of play that you can get, let's talk to Racun Tech and find out a little bit more about what they are all about.
Racun Tech focuses more on giving an easy access to esports players for better equipment so that they are well prepared and can join more tournaments in Malaysia. Racun Tech's future plan is basically want to be everywhere. We want to help the esports communities and esports players so that they can get the best gaming equipment easily. And in order to do that, we are opening soon in Bangi, our new outlet. And by 2025, we hope to have outlets in every state. In addition to that, we hope to encourage more business owners to open more gaming equipment outlets to help improve esports community. This will also create more job opportunities for others out there.